Alright guys, so we're here out right now. Well, I'm here out right now with Yip Aldrin driving. Yeah, it's squeaking, man.
I had WD-40. Oh, we can do it after at my house. If you want to put them on.
We can.
Yeah.
Go on. Yeah. So we're here. We're here right now. We're driving out to American Tire Central.
American Tire Depot.
American Tire Depot. I think I got my tires there too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's when we punctured it out in.
Oh, over there.
Yeah,
I wonder if that information consists all of it. All the system.
The prices vary. Yeah, so we're driving out right now to American Tire Depot out in Glendale. He's getting his stock TRD off-road wheels mounted and switching it up with my other set of wheels, the Summit Dakars. Specs on them is 17x9 with a -25 offset. I'm super stoked to see how it looks on his rig. I'm trying to push him to put some spacers on him to kind of get that stanty off-road like meter stance. But we'll see. So catch you guys when we get there. Stay tuned. Excited, man?
Very.
How excited?
Very excited.
How very excited?
Very, very excited.
God damn. Here right now, back on the rooftop of our little secret spot here.
Yep. It's amazing.
Do you have any of the WD-40?
I do at home.
Oh god damn, man, I gotta go back.
Actually, no, I have some.
Well, spray it, man.
Yeah.
That guys.
Mind the mess.
Yip just got himself a new set of SCS Dakar 10s. Ooh. Alright, let's see if this thing works. Hold this.
Yep.
So what did you do again? How did you do this?
I just sprayed all this here.
Multi-pilot license. Yeah. So it's flammable.
Yeah.
Probably edit this part out. So you literally just like right there on the knuckle where the knuckle's at?
Yeah, where is the squeaking? You know, I just sprayed on that area. Ow! Ow!
Did you use a straw?
Nah,
You
I just
went
used
at it,
that.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, on your side, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully the bushings aren't going crazy badly yet. That's good. Let's try and hit the other side. Got little chips in there, huh?
Mm. You can hang on to it, you know, because I have another can at home.
How many cans did you use?
Huh?
How many cans did you use?
Dude, I just did a quick one. Just like...
So this is pretty excessive, what I'm doing right now?
Yeah, it's
like,
pretty good.
I'm going pretty...
No, you're doing good. You know, just in case. Oh, let's hold on to it.
All right.
Yeah. Just in case, see if it does squeak again.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue photo shooting over here at our little secret spot. Secret spot. Hey man, enjoying your wheels, huh?
Will do.
See you, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Run out work.
Well, I'll try.